students, welcome back to Vedantu English channel. This is Suhas, your chemistry master teacher. Students, in this video, we discuss how to manage time in exam. I know students, most of the students face difficulty in managing time, right? Don't worry, your Suhas sir is come with few tricks. Students, please watch the video till end to ensure know about the tricks. Come on student, let's discuss before entering to the session. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe the channel for more updates, and also Telegram channel. The Telegram channel link is there in description. Students, I divided this video into two parts. What we do before exam and what we do in examination hall. Okay students, the things do before exams. I have only few tricks. The first point is familiarize yourself with the exam format. Familiarize yourself with the exam format is nothing but for take example of an science paper. Science paper, we already know we divide science paper into 5 types: part A, part B, part C, part D, part E. Part D for case based study, part A for 20 marks MCQ, part B for 2 marks, part C for 3 marks, part D for 5 marks, right? Okay student, and the first point, question analysis. How to analyze the question? It's a very easy, students. Don't worry, in our channel we discuss PYQs. Okay, in PYQs you can easily analyze the question. It's simple. For example, let's take an example of chemical reaction and equation. So many times in question paper we already saw, definitely from double displacement reaction we expect one MCQ is there. Then we concentrate on double displacement reaction, and also in density part we expect 1 marks, and also from metals and non-metals, in metals and non-metals extraction of metals we can expect 3 marks, and also in purification process. This is a question analysis part. Second one, time allocation. Please ensure with the time allocations. For example, for science paper, what is the time allocation? It's 3 hours. How to manage this time? It's there in second point. Don't worry. Next, third point, check your work. What work? What work is nothing but check your work is nothing but check your ensure with your pen, pencil and everything. And last point, handling interruption. Handle the situation, okay? And second one, use social media limitedly. In students, we already know only 20 days is left. Don't worry, after 20 days you are free only. After 20 days you use social media unlimitedly, but in these 20 days please use limitedly. For example, please concentrate on only YouTube session, one short session and everything. Please stop the scrolling of Instagram and other things. Okay students, let's move on to the next. Practice time management. How to practice time management? It's very easy. Take a mock test yourself. Okay, mock testers, download the PYQs. You want PYQs? It is already there in our channel. Please, the link is there. Click on the link and you take to the Vedantu website and log in with your alternate mobile number or your email ID, and then download the PYQ and practice PYQ. Simple student, download the PYQ and take for example take it 5 to 7. Let's consider 4 to 7 exam timetable, and switch on the clock. Try yourself to complete that question paper within 3 hours. If you do this, if you practice 5-year PYQs, it is also usable. How? It is also revision for you guys. It's also revise your everything, and you know your weakness. If you practice PYQs, you can easily identify where you get mistake, and you are only correct students. You only corrected your answers and identify where I mistake, where I need to focus the concept. Okay, this is an important. Take a mock test and try to solve the time management. If you take a mock test, you can easily solve the time management. Okay student, it's a very easiest trick. And next, things to do in exam hall. I have few things to do in example. The first important point is use reading time smartly. What is use reading time smartly? For example, the time is started. We already know the exam started is 10. In before exam time, the 5 minutes or 10 minutes is there now. This is a golden time. We teachers called this as a golden time. We already know student life is a golden life. I also come with the student life only. In that time, make an few sheets. Okay, make a few sheets like an exam formula for mathematics, for example quadratic equation and other things. Make an exam sheet, a formula sheet, and concentrate on formula. If you know the formula, you can easily solve the paper. And also in chemistry, make an all chemical reaction in simple page. Revise in the before exam. It's called reading time smartly. And another very important, read the question twice or thrice. Why sir we need to read? For example, in question they ask displacement reaction. I also face same problem, students, same problems in our examination. For example, in MSc examination in first sem, I also face same problem. That's why I tell you guys, reading time smartly and read twice or thrice. Why? For example, they ask displacement reaction. Instead of displacement reaction, we write double displacement reaction. It's a common mistakes we do. That's why read the question 2 to 3 and reading the time smartly. Second, start with easier questions, skip difficult questions. We know MCQ question is a very easiest question. Please students, please do not skip any questions. We know in exam paper some of the problem is there, some of the printing mistake is there. If you attend all question, definitely 2 to 3 marks grace marks is there. That's why please attend all question. Start with easier question is nothing but start with MCQ. Start with the question you know and next attend the you don't know. For example, we already know we have internal question choice in 2 marks and 3, not in 2 marks, in 3 marks and 5 marks we have. For example, one question you don't know, you already know the another question, skip that question, you take that question and attend it. It's what? It is used to managing time. It save your time to think. For example, if you don't know, if you go to the thinking level and you have chance to lose your marks. First, write your knowing question in your paper. First, write the question you know. Okay, students. And the third point, keep an eye on the clock. Please keep an eye on the clock. Asking your your teacher, ma'am, what is the time now? What's the time? You ask. And the fourth point, stay calm. Student, don't worry, don't be panic, stay calm. If you stay calm, you can easily write your answer in paper. These are the 4 important point things do in exam hall. First one is using reading time smartly. Second one, start with easier questions, skip difficult question, keep an eye on the clock and stay calm. Last point, we are late. If you are late, for example, Suha sir, I am already late. I only have a 5 minutes, but I need to attend another 5 marks question, long question. In this time, I give simple trick. This trick I also use, students, and I also score good marks. That's why I give these tricks. I already use these tricks. Okay, you also use it. It's a very easiest trick. Prioritize points. What is prioritize points? It's a very easy. For example, they ask what reaction of an metals, otherwise extraction of metal from the moderative reactive metal. Okay na? Again ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಆಗ in this time what we do? It's a very easy. First you write the important point, prioritize points. For example, metals, we need to roasting, then we need to purify. These things you write, and the important trick is please mark your answer. Please highlight the important point. If you highlight the point, the examiner focus on going to the highlight point and you get very good marks, students. These are the few tricks to ensure the time management in exam. If you like the video, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe the channel, and please give an valuable feedback in comment section. And if you want any video about the other activity or other, if you have any doubts, sir, I don't have any question paper, please know in the comment section. I make a video about question paper, I make a video about your doubts. Don't worry. Okay students, thank you so much for watching the video. Bye, take care.